Alright, welcome back, Bandana Mechanics. Looks like we got a Troybilt zero turn. I'm going to read what this stupid thing says. Pulley off, starter going bad, belt, runs, weak battery. So I have no freaking idea what the heck they want done. Or what's going on with it. That's just runs, weak battery, bad starter. How the heck? Okay, if it's a bad battery, then yeah, the starter won't work right. Or is it just a bad starter and the battery's fine? Or is the starter toast and that's why it won't start? But it says it runs, so it's got to start to run. So how the heck is it starting and running if those other things are bad? And then pulley off. I don't know. Okay. I just love how people are. They just sit up there and write a bunch of mumbo jumbo down, have no idea how engines function or work, or what kind of questions to ask. And this is a piece of crap. Let's see if it even starts. Probably not. But I have no idea. So in the shop we go. Did have a little bit of problem starting, and I don't think it's any of the above, honestly. If anything, maybe a bad cable connection. Let's see how these cables look. Huh. Ooh. Yeah. Well, that could very well be the cables. But it looks like somebody messing with their stuff a lot. I'm really not sure where to start with this stupid thing. It says belt and pulley off. Are we talking about the deck here now? Is it? I don't even know. Also says something about it starting. What exactly am I supposed to fix? I don't know. Stay tuned. I'm just going to find everything wrong with it and make a list. Check it twice. Oh, it's the holiday. Get it? Well, I can tell you this deck is full of crap. But that ain't a lie. Alright, holy cow, look at this, man. What do you really think is gonna happen when you got that much stuff packed in your deck? My goodness. It really don't make no dang sense. I'll try to get you guys a shot, but I'm not very good at that. And this thing needs blades too. Probably a spindle. You're getting playing that spindle and that one. This one seems alright. Those blades are wore down stupid crazy too. So this is gonna be a pain. Got these two clips and these pins here to get the deck off. One. Oh, you're just staring at me. That's pretty dumb. I'm an ugly bastard. Sorry. Number two. Oh, there's the second one. I'll get these pins out. Try not to get bashed in the head by that. You can tell it's probably happened a time or two before. Alright, so a little better look at this. Crap all up in here. So we gotta get rid of all that for sure. There's gonna be a bit of a dust storm. I do apologize. Oh. I'll let the old air compressor air up. But I'm gonna pack up my tools, some of them, because the lady can't pay me for working here, and I got another job working part-time over at the post office. And she thinks she could just have herself or anybody come in here and use my tools to fix stuff when I'm not here. No, that's not how it works. That's my tools. I paid for them, I use them. You don't touch them, nobody else touches them. You can't even pay me. So not only are you not going to pay me for work I'm doing, but then you're going to use my tools to make you money but not pay me and let somebody else touch them? No. I don't know who the hell they think they are. It's fucking disrespectful. All these freaking sticks. Finally, all that nasty crap off of there. Right, pull this belt off. Maybe. Ow. Right, my noggin. Yowzers. Alright. So. Let's see. Oh man. this off here. Oh, it ain't too bad. See about this one here. That one's got some play. All of these. Oh man, they're gonna be noisy as heck too. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, the whole spindle is loose. Not just up and down play, but the whole spindle. So, belt. Definitely suggest the belt. 2 spindles. All these pulleys. There's play, but listen to them. I'll get this stupid belt out of the way. You're gonna make a ton of noise. Oh, yeah, this deck's a mess. And then, you can see, this whole place is filthy from this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and clip the deck back on, actually. I already know what the heck it needs on the deck. I want to lower it down. This is going to be a pain. Basically, you got to use your freaking knee. One. Oh, that was my knee. Oh, that hurts a lot. Oh. Whew. Oh, that screwed my knee up. Oh. Alright. These clips back in. Now the deck's hanging. Get it lowered. And maybe do a few tests for the starting. All the tires are pretty flat too. Gonna do another battery test. This one will probably be good, but I just want to see under load. Goes to yellow, which means weak, but it also should be fine. Let's see here. want to take a look here actually. If it turns over easier with this jump start, maybe it's just that weak point in the battery. We'll see. No. Not that. All right. Hello, alright. Now I'm taking this. See how hard the compression is. Alright, so I'm going to start with the battery on it, since how it was weak. And it's probably going to need a starter too. These Kohler starters are junk. I've ordered dozens of them. But I can't have, well, I mean with the jump I guess it's still hung up, but yeah, I better reevaluate that. So compression doesn't feel too high because the valves could be it. So if you're having this kind of problem where sometimes it turns over fine, other times it don't, well, you got a battery that's weak, maybe the valves need to be adjusted, and these starters are notorious for going to crap. And it's like, okay, well, adjust the valves, put a new battery in, and then it's the starter. Do you just get a starter? I'll throw that in there. That feels about normal when I turn it over by hand, but I don't know, I guess we could do that. Really didn't want to get too crazy with this thing, but guess we can adjust the valves. Alright. I guess that's what we're doing now. What a dummy. I still can't fix the rest of it, and I'm not getting paid, so I hate getting this deep into an engine. I ain't got no income coming in. Rather go home and well, when I had a girlfriend, I'd just go hang out with her, but since I'm a loser and a dummy, I don't get to have a girlfriend anymore either. She was so disgusted with having my kid in her, she acted like it was a dang disease. And I can't wait to get this thing out of me. Yeah, it was so terrible. You know, it's kind of sad, you know, but what can I say? I don't blame her. I am a bit of a loser. She just wanted to keep me around till she knew it was dead. And then she kicked me to the curb. Always a wonderful thing, you know, to have happen in your life. Really make you feel like something. The fudge, come on. Okay. Oh. Where'd my... I didn't leave it out there, did I? Maybe. Oh, my knee. Alright, I guess. I'll do it by hand. Pulling these dang valve covers, man. I don't like the way that felt. I feel like somebody's been in here. Sorry for the rant. I don't know how long that stuff's gonna bother me for, but definitely for a little while. That's some dirty, dirty shit. Oh, there's oil. Let me get this out of the way. Be that much dang oil. Apparently there is. Oh, I just had it tilted, that's why. Duh. Common sense. I'm an idiot. Dumb idiot loser, you know? I'll never be anything. Oh, let's drop all the bolts. Drop all the bolters. Freaking rockin' scientist. Oh boy. Just put some paper towels on it. Take the spark plug out, get it up to top dead center. Hey, where's my... let's put that over there too. Shit. Get that spark plug out so you can find top dead center. And then we'll check the valve clearance. Alright. I'll put this in the hole. Turn it over by hand. You gotta see both valves open. What? Why? Jesus. Maybe it is a little too much. Oh yeah, those are pretty dang loose, people. Oh, I hope it's in here. My feeler gauges. I really hope they are. Oh boy. Why would they be messing with feeler gauges? They are not that capable. But better be in my bag. Alright, well, I'm not gonna have you guys sit around here anymore. I can't find the feeler gauges. And nobody in here should be using those. Ain't nobody capable of it, so for now, that's where we're at on this one. I'll make a part 2. Thanks for watching.